When we focus only on the storms around us, fear begins to replace faith. The waves may be real, but they are not the whole story. Inside the ark was God's preservation. While judgment fell outside, God's people remained secure within His appointed refuge. God never promised there would be no storm. He promised His presence and His faithfulness through every storm. Faith grows stronger when our eyes are lifted to God. Looking up teaches us to depend on the One who controls every storm. When we keep looking up, we are no longer distracted by the storm. Our eyes are fixed on God's promises, and our faith is strengthened by His faithfulness.